Welcome to Day 3, Module 3 of our 5-day Attraction Marketing Bootcamp, where my goal and intention is to help you generate 100 leads or more each and every day and get paid even if they do not join your team. And to pull this off on complete autopilot once you have the system set up. Today, let's talk more about the money-making magic of online attraction marketing. Which do you think is easier to sell? Preventative medicine? Think a $30 bottle of vitamins, or an emergency medical procedure. Think a $3,000 surgery to fix a blocked airway. The emergency medical procedure, right? Yeah, they both sell. It's just faster and easier to sell someone when they are actively searching for and shopping for a solution or a way out of their current pain than it is to sell hope for a better tomorrow. Remember, cold calling prospects and advertising is a push or interruption marketing, meaning we are attempting to sell something to people and people simply do not like to be sold anything. Push marketing works based on the law of averages. Expose your offer to enough people eventually and someone will express an interest. So you are playing the numbers and metrics is the key. Make 100 calls. Reach 10 people. Find who may be interested in learning more. Seems reasonable. But let's say it takes you 2 hours to make those 100 calls for you to get one new sale or sign up. To make serious money, let's say you need to sign up 2 people per day. Do you have 4 hours available? And if so, how long can you keep up that intensity? Attraction marketing, on the other hand, pulls people who are currently motivated to take action, either to avoid pain or to move towards pleasure. It is the art and science of getting your product, service, opportunity, or message in front of people who are actively searching for that type of information now. Quick example. You won tickets to the opera and you decide to sell them. You could approach strangers at the mall, think prospecting. You chase people down and see if they might be interested. Or you could run a banner or ad on a major website. Both which are a form of push marketing, meaning you are seeking to interrupt people to see if they may be interested, which does work. Prospecting does work. But there is an easier, faster, and more profitable way, and that is to use targeted attraction marketing methods. For example, you can do the local opera house the night of the show and go to where they are selling tickets. Start at the back of the line and ask these targeted prospects if they would like to buy tickets you have for sale. Why? What's in it for them? They do not have to wait in line. That's the benefit. And instead of spending perhaps hours, maybe even days chasing down people at the mall, you'll get your ticket sold within minutes by approaching your perfect target market. You can also run a local Craigslist, eBay, or classified ad in the local newspaper to sell the tickets, which is push marketing, but more highly targeted. So again, the goal is to do more as close to as possible. Attraction marketing as possible, because prospecting interrupts, which is you selling stuff, and nobody likes to be sold anything, right? Think about it. The last time you went to the store and the salesperson runs up and asks, "Can I help you?" What was your automatic knee-jerk response? No, thank you. Just looking, right? Why? Because people don't like to feel like we're being sold anything. But we sure do like to buy stuff, which is exactly what we are doing with attraction marketing. We're looking for people who are looking for more now, especially when it comes to internet marketing. We're looking for people who are looking for more now, especially when it comes to internet marketing, where we can literally use tools that will tell us exactly and specifically what people are searching for in live time. Post content and gently guide them towards finding the information or solution they are looking for. Promote that content to show up on the search engines while they are actively seeking, and voila, you get traffic, leads, and sales. So if I wanted to sell a Nikon P90 camera, maybe as an affiliate marketer, I could use tools to discover a certain number of people who actually sit down every month in front of Google and literally type in the phrase cheap black Nikon P90. Then we simply promote our offer and show up, and voila, done deal. We get steady free organic traffic, leads, and sales for as long as we rank, with little or no rejection. Low cost of sale, because we work once and we get paid again and again. And we'll enjoy higher conversion because we are attracting only those people who are interested in our offer. It is perfect profit producing combination. So tomorrow, let's dig a bit deeper into why lead prosperity leads to prosperity, and why if you're not building a list, you will not be building a real long-term business that can set you up for life. We'll see you tomorrow.